Hello everyone, myself Nilay Parekh. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the two operators, and that are assignment operator and increment and decrement operator. First, we will discuss about assignment operator. The symbol for this assignment operator is equal to, single time equals to. The meaning of this equals to means assigning a value from right to left. For example, if I am writing a equals to 5, so the value 5 is going to be assigned to a. And if I am writing a equals to in bracket 2 into 3, means the multiplication of 2 into 3, 6 is going to be assigned into a. So this is the basic use of assignment operator. In assignment operator, there is a one concept called shorthand operator. What is shorthand operator? If in the expression equals to operator, both sides have a same operand, means in a expression in between equals to operator, both sides have the same operand, so there is no need to write the same operand again. That is called shorthand operator. Means if my expression is a equals to a plus 5, so I can convert it into shorthand like this: a plus equals to 5. The meaning of both expression is same, but it is very easy to understand, and as well as it will reduce the length. Say there is no need to write same operand again. These both are the advantage of assignment operator. Another example, a equals to a minus 5, that is a minus equals to 5. A equals to a into 5, that is a into equals to 5. A equals to a divide 5, that is a divide equals to 5. So these are the regular expression, and this is the shorthand expression. So this is the assignment operator. Our next topic is increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator are unary operator, as they deal with single operand. The symbol for increment and decrement is plus plus and minus minus. In increment and decrement, there is a two subtype, that is called postfix and prefix. Please focus on screen. We will discuss this postfix increment, prefix increment, then postfix decrement, prefix decrement, and after that we will discuss one C program, and that is the combination of assignment operator and increment and decrement operator. So please focus on screen. So first we will understand increment operator. Increment operator increments the value of its operand by 1. For example, a equals to 5, then a plus plus will increment the value by 1. Thus, the value of a will become 6. There are two types of increment operator available: prefix increment operator and postfix increment operator. In prefix increment operator, when prefix increment operator is used in an expression, then it will first increment the value of its operand. Mark this word. First, it will increment the value of its operand, and then it assign to the variable. For example, a equals to 5, b equals to plus plus a. So after that, a will become 6 and b will become 6, as it is a prefix, so it will first increment. Second is postfix increment operator. When postfix increment operator is used in expression, then it will first assign the value of its operand to the variable and then increment the value of its operand. Means first it will use operand, then it will increment. Like if a equals to 5, b equals to a plus plus, so b will become 5 and a will become 6, as it is a postfix. So the initial value of a will assign to b, and then it will increment by 1 in a. That's why a becomes 6. So this is the increment operator. Now next is decrement operator. Decrement operator decrements the value by 1. For example, a equals to 5, then a minus minus will decrement the value by 1. Thus, the value of a will become 4. Same as in increment, decrement has two types, prefix decrement and postfix decrement. First, prefix decrement operator. When prefix decrement operator is used in expression, then it will first decrement the value of its operand, just like prefix increment, and then assign to the variable. For example, a equals to 5, b equals to minus a. So in output, a and b both will become 4. Second is postfix decrement operator. When postfix decrement operator is used in expression, then it will first assign the value as the operand is at number 1 position, and then it will decrement the value of its operand. For example, a equals to 5, b equals to a minus will give a equals to 4 and b equals to 5. Why b equals to 5? Because the initial value of a is 5, then it is assigned to b, and after a minus the 5 will become 4. So this is the increment and decrement operator. Now let's understand one C program with the combination of increment, decrement and assignment operator. So in this program we will understand the concept of increment, decrement and the shorthand operator. First, we are including the header file, that is hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, our main function. In main function, I took 4 different variables a, b, c, d, and I already assigned value a equals to 5, b equals to 8, c equals to 9, and in d I will assign some expression. So first, my expression is d equals to a plus b plus c plus plus. So focus here, the initial value of a is 5, so 5 plus b, that is postfix, so the value of 8 will become 9, 5 plus 9, and c plus plus, so the initial value of c will assign 9, but next time its value will be 10. So in this expression, 5 plus 9 plus 9, that is 23, will store into d. Now I am printing that d variable with prefix printf %d plus d. The value of d is 23, but now here I increment, means prefix increment by 1, so 23 will become 24. Next printf statement, %d, 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 %d. The first %d is plus a, and that is 6, as a was 5 and this is a prefix, so increment by 1, 6. Second % is b plus plus, b was 9 and this is b plus plus post, so the initial value will assign, that is 9, but next time if we are going to use b, it will use 10. Third % d is plus c, that is a prefix. As we discussed, when we are going to use c, it will 10, but this is pre, so 10 will become 11, and d plus plus, that is a postfix, so the initial value of d was 24, will be print, now it will become 25. Next expression is a equals to plus a plus b plus d. Now plus a was 6, this is the prefix, so 6 will become 7, 7 plus b, the initial value of b is 10, and plus d, the initial value was 25, now it is a plus, so plus 1 means 26, that means 7 plus 10 plus 26, 43 will be stored into a. This 3 expression is a shorthand expression. B plus equals to c, means b equals to b plus c, and that is 10 plus 11 equals to 21. C into equals to 2 means c equals to c into 2, that is 11 into 2 equals to 22. D division equals to 2 means d equals to d divide 2, that is 26 divide 2 equals to 13. And we are printing this a, b, c, d. So the final output will be like this: 24, 6, 9, 11, 24. 43, 21, 22 and 30. So in today's lecture, we discussed assignment operator as well as increment and decrement operator, and we saw a very good example of this combination of this assignment and increment and decrement operator. According to this concept, I made one quiz. The link of this quiz is mentioned in description or caption. Please go through it, attend that exam, and if you find any doubt or error, please mention me in the comment. So we are signing off for today. Thank you.